My bodies, we're gonna try this wig out, guys. If you want to see the full tutorial of this wig, make sure to watch this wig till the end. I'm repeating it. Watch this tutorial till the end. Yeah, love ya. Don't forget to subscribe. So this wig looks like this. So let me try it out and see how I look. Yeah, you're gonna rate me, guys. You're gonna rate me and see. So guys, this is how this wig looks like. It looks like this. Let me first clean my camera. It needs more giving, guys. My camera is not that clean. Let me first clean my camera to see how I've rocked this wig. Look at that finishing, guys. This is how our blend came out, guys. This is how it is. This is our finishing. This is how I look. You can even comb it like this. This is the final look, guys. This is the final look. Yeah. Love ya. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, I welcome you once again to Product 4, where everything is beautiful, guys. So today, before I proceed, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up so that my video can be pushed to the people who need it most, guys. So, welcome back again, guys. So today we had a leftover. You still remember it or not? Last time we worked on the wig, we were finishing the braids, and today we gonna, I had to dip that braid today, but I won't dip it. I found something. No, I'm just joking. Guys, I had to dip this wig, but it's like I ran out of water. We're gonna cut it as it is, but we have to cut it carefully because we did not dip in hot water. We will dip it in hot water after I cut it, you know. So let's go get this wig, trim it, yeah. But don't forget to subscribe to that so that whenever I post the new videos, you can be the first to watch them. So guys, let's go get this wig. Yeah, you know where I kept the wig? I kept it here, guys. I kept it here. So it looks like this. Guys, do you know why sometimes I don't want to use, let me tell you the reason why I'm trimming this wig. I'm gonna trim it into a blunt cut, a long blunt cut, or what? Do you know why I had no any idea to cut this wig, to trim it, but let me show you why I'm trimming this wig. Look at the ends, guys. They are tangled. Do you know the type of braids I used here? Guys, guess what? I ran out of braids and I had to send my niece, you know, you go there at the shop, get me some braids, but I need this type of braid. But when she reached there, someone convinced her this is the best braid. Yet she knew that I don't use it. I won't blame her. She's a young girl, so I won't blame her. But they brought those braids. I couldn't take it there. Luganda is Lugandaling. and English. She's Englishing me. So I couldn't take those braids back. So I had to use them. But it's gonna cost me, you know, because I have to cut this off. And people are gonna give me little money from this. But our color combo is still coloring. So guys, I'm gonna be back. Let's first go. Let me first take you into our recap, into a flashback. We will be back, guys. Yeah. Just watch the flashback as I put this wig on a dummy hair. Woo! So guys, welcome to Conan Co by Sal. I am Sal. Welcome to Where Beauty Meets Fashion. Guys, here at Conan Co, we specialize in luxury handmade braided wig, where each wig is made by hand and where every wig is made with care, guys. So we specialize in all types of wigs, guys. I welcome you back from our recap flashback. So guys, let's go trim this wig into a short blunt cut. Yeah, let's go. So guys, welcome. Let's start from this side. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Gonna cut from here.
Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it tonight. Something toxic holding on to me for dear life. A terrible, terrible high. Needing use an irresistible light. You said you in the air is all that I needed not to die. A terrible, terrible.
So guys, we are done trimming our blunt cut. So you saw each and everything, you saw the whole process. Now here is the final results. Look at it, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving, guys. So thank you for watching, for staying here with me. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. So I love you guys. So guys, before I go, I had forgotten. Before I go, let me first show you this trash, which has been on a wig. The trash I've cut off the wig. Guys, this is how it looks. Look at that. Look. Look.